Akala ko, alam mo ba na dati akala ko pag mga senador matatalino, may mga bobo rin palang vote.
Correct ka dyan.
May mga bobo rin pala mga utang ina. Oo.
Ad hominem.
Magsiresign na kayo. Inutil kayo eh. Wala kayong ginagawa.
Bastos, bastos, bastos. Minority senators, puno ng kabastusan. Dalawa to ha. Si Senator Marcoleta, sinagot. Yung kay Ben Dalo, Erwin Tulfo, at saka yung pagkakastigo ni Senator Loren Legarda kay Kiko. Basag na basag ang matching. So unahin na natin to kay Kiko kasi love na love ko itong scene na to. Pahiyang pahiya ang Keko.
Of the manifestation of Senator Pangilinan.
Mr. President, if I may just continue, Mr. President. All in previous...
Senator Lacson actually has the floor.
Yes,
Oo, 'di ba? Nag-aaway sila ni Robin Padilla kasi I still have the floor. Gumanon siya. Ngayon naman may nakatayo. Siya naman yung umaagaw ngayon. Tignan mo nga naman, no.
Of Senator Lacson.
Senator Lacson has the floor. May we continue with the manifestation of Senator Lacson, and then after him, he will yield
Sumasabat-sabat.
to Senator Pangilinan.
Madam President, the invocation of the Senate President of Rule 136 is premised on the assumption that there was no action taken. But we took action. We referred it to the Committee on Rules. So Section 24 now applies.
Ang kulit din talaga ni Ping eh. Sabi na nga hindi eh.
Madam President, you're gonna just ram down our throat something that numbers can dictate,
Madam
Mr.
Chair.
President.
Yes, Senate President.
Madam Chair,
Cayetano.
first of all, we're just repeating the arguments. I respect his argument, but I disagree with it. Secondly, they've used already 3 words: ram down their throat, railroaded, binabraso. In this democratic institution, when we disagree,
In short, mga bastos.
we vote.
Tama, magbubutuhan. Oh.
When we have rules, we follow the rules. The particular rule in amending the rules is 136. We're following that. So why are we using unparliamentary language to express or try to provoke?
May isa pang senador dyan, Tulfo. How siyaw daw. Salitang kanto.
The kind of argument we don't want between the majority and minority. You have your opinion, we respect that, we have our opinion. So how do we resolve that?
Vote.
By voting. Now, if you think we violated the rule, then go to court. But
Correct. Diba? Simple lang naman eh.
we do not think that we violated the rule. It is very clear. So my point of order, Madam Chair, they're out of order by insisting that there's another rule except for 136. So I move that we vote on it, Madam Chair. We divide the House.
Objection.
Correct. Andyan na si Kiko.
Objection.
If there's an objection, then we vote. So may we proceed with the vote, Madam President?
Correct.
Mr. President, I was earlier, it was the manifestation of the presiding officer, the Madam Chairperson, that after Senator Lacson, I be allowed to speak, Mr. President.
Oo nga. Pero may point of order. Point of order, mas mataas yun sa manifestation mo.
Are we now curtailing my right to speak, Mr. President?
Wow ah. Wow ha. Wow ha.
Madam Chair,
We are
can I
not
answer
able to
that?
ask questions as to why we are amending the rules. We are not able to ask questions as to who they wish,
Madam Chair, may I answer?
who will benefit from the amendment to the rules.
For the-
Is
Sumisigaw ka na naman.
this rule, Mr.
information
President?
of
Is
the-
this rule, Mr. President?
Oh, kita mo yung litid mo, oh. Mapuputol na oh. Sumisigaw ka na naman.
For
I was
Senator
about to
Bato, who is not
recognize
here,
Senator
we would
Pangilinan.
like to raise these valid questions, Mr. President, before we go into a vote.
Wala ding paggalang sa presiding officer.
Madam
Mr.
Chair.
President.
Yes,
These, we should not be...
How can the presiding officer recognize Senator Pangilinan? Please know that I would never curtail your right to speak just as in 2004, I believe you were seated, and I was a vice presidential candidate of FPJ then, and my microphone was closed, and my right to speak was closed,
Ikaw yung gumawa.
was not given. I remember that time now.
Ang kapal din na pagmumukha eh. Ginawa nyo sa kanya nun yan eh. Noted. Yan lang yung sinasabi nyo sa kanya noon. Nagsasalita siya. Noted, noted, noted. Ngayon, ikaw yung ang kapal ng pagmumukha mo, tapos sabihin mong kinikirtail yung freedom of speech mo para magsalita dyan. Kapal ng mukha mo, ha?
And the word noted
Hmm.
was said to me. That will not happen now. I will not do that to you. And I'm not curtailing
I will not do that to you like you did to me.
your right to speak, Senator Pangilinan, except that you were speaking at the same time.
Correct. Sabat ng sabat.
And I was about to recognize you because Senator Lacson had the floor.
Thank you, Madam President, for
So
that
I just wanted to be clear on record because I
If
recognize you're being
Sat-sat pa ng sat-sat, sabat pa ng sabat ka. Sasabi lang na sabat ka ng sabat eh.
emotional, but it will go on Senate record that the presiding officer was curtailing your right to speak. I would never do that, and I would not do what I experienced in 2004 in the House of Representatives in the canvassing of the votes then.
Mr. President.
Thank you.
Madam
Sabol. Siya yung gumawa. Si Kiko ang gumawa. Sa kanya noon yan.
President, with due respect, Mr. President, I was
I'm
not
yielding-
referring to the
Madam
presiding
President,
officer.
may I?
You were not referring to the presiding officer. Eh sino? Bobo. Siya yung presiding officer. Sa kanya mo sinasabi yon. Magpapalusot ka pang hinayupak ka eh. Ngayon puntahan natin tong isa pang law bender. Oh,
Ito ang mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong
pakinggan na.
legal background dito. Kaya sinasabi
Walang legal background ang sinasabi ha.
ko na nga po, hindi po bagong motion ito eh. Hindi siya bagong motion. Kasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito
Madam
eh. Sino po
President,
magsasabi na bagong
Ito na si Boy Bender.
motion?
Point of order. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang
Hindi,
sinasabi
Madam
ko lang
President.
kanina ko
Wow, ang kapal din ng mukha, no? Ad hominem. Pero kayong magkapatid sa mga hearing, kung makapag-estupido kayo, tanga, bobo, sa mga resource person ninyo, okay lang. Ang sinasabi ni Marcoleta dito, walang legal background. Hindi nag-aral sa batas. Parang ganun yung gusto niyang sabihin. Mas magagaling pa kasi kayo kasi sa mga nag-aral eh. Di ba? Tapos sabi niya dito, bakit mo sinasabi ang ganyan? Ang kapal ng pagmumukha, no? Tapos yung isang rason niya kaya nag-walk out siya dahil daw ba nabalitaan nila na magkakaarestuhan over the weekend kaya binamadali nila? Ang tanong, bakit nyo binipigilan? May alam ba kayo? Puntahan natin ngayon si Marcoleta.
Pero sir, your comment
No, what do you think?
Your comment
Teka muna.
Teka.
They walk out and somebody was left to just move to adjourn. What do you think?
Dahil wala pang quorum.
Eh, sila nga nagbigay ng condition pa mawala ang quorum. So, plano nila yun eh.
Correct. Talagang ganun kasi hindi nila kayang makipagdebate. Ganyan naman eh. Pati nga si Ping Lacson, di ba? Matatandaan ninyo. Gusto mag-interpolate ni Senator Marcoleta. Ayaw niya. Tumakbo. Oh.
So what do you think?
Sir, what do you think, sir? Kasi kayo ang magbobotohan.
Pati kayo, ako naman, siyempre, kailangan naman magtanong naman ako sa inyo. Hindi naman ko palagi
Hindi
lang
namin pwede i-quote ang sarili namin eh. Kayo
No,
po i-quote namin sa report
I'm not
namin.
asking you as a reporter,
Opo.
but a patriotic citizen of this republic.
Ang galing, no? Ano sa tingin ninyo? Di ba? Tama ba yung ginawa nila na sa halip na magbotohan, sa halip na makipagdebatehan, nag-walk out, mga walang modo,